Hi friends, today we will discuss about thermodynamics previous year problems. You see the first problem here on the screen which is asked in 2024 NEET examination. A thermodynamic system is taken through the cyclic process ABCD. The work done by the gas along with part B to C they ask. This is the diagram B to C. B to C you see it is volume constant. Why? Because this is the volume. It is perpendicular to the volume axis. Work done. They ask volume constant means isochoric process. In isochoric process, delta V change in volume is equals to zero. So change in volume is equals to zero means we have the formula work done is equals to P into change in volume. So it is equals to zero. So answer is option one is the correct answer. Okay. Now see the second problem now. For a given system, the work done during the process, isobaric process, they ask here. Isobaric process here. Isobaric process means pressure constant. Pressure constant means from this is a process A to B. Pressure constant means work done one they ask. Isobaric process we want this is. Means A to B, the graph is perpendicular to the pressure axis. This is isobaric process. In this isobaric process, we have the formula pressure P into delta V. Delta V means see here the value means change in value 3 minus 1. So the B corresponding value is 3. This is the 1. So 3 minus 1 it becomes 600 joules is the correct answer. So option 2 is the correct answer. W is equals to P into delta V. Okay. So next. See the third problem actually for the NEET 2024 they deleted this portion. What does that means? Carnot engine. Carnot engine, they deleted actually. Heat engine and Carnot engine, they deleted, but we can go through sometimes. The source temperature, they given us 327 degrees. Source temperature, they given us 327 plus 273, you do it. You will get 600 Kelvin. Efficiency is given as 50% means 1 by 2. So by using that process, we will get 300 Kelvin. So again, we have to change that Kelvin temperature is 300 minus 273 if you did. It will give us 27 degrees Celsius temperature will come. Okay. So this is the correct answer. Next, see the fourth problem, which is asked in 2022 NEET examination. The given four diagrams here, present volume gases. They ask among the four, which is an adiabatical process they ask. Adiabatical means see the fourth graph. First one, it is an isochoric process. Why? Because here the volume is constant. And fourth graph, if you see, that is the fourth line. This is the fourth line. If you take, it is perpendicular to the pressure axis, means it's an isobaric process. Okay. Option, the third graph, if you take, it's a here gas is means we have a little bit confusion. Why? Because isothermal process and adiabatical process, both the graphs are similar, but during the expansion here the gas is expanding. So third one is this is isothermal, second one is this is adiabatic. So what is the correct answer means graph number 2 means option 4 is the answer. Now the next problem is say there are two vessels A and B have the equal capacity connected to each other by a stop class. When suppose for the reference point I'm writing this is one vessel. Suppose this is one vessel. These two are connected with pipe. We have one as stop clock is there. Now we are removing this stop class means the gas particles are moving from here to here in a quick process. Quick process means it is an example for adiabatic process. So answer for this problem is adiabatic process. Why? Because isothermal is a slow process, adiabatic is a quick process. Okay, next. Now see, A PV diagram of an ideal gas piston cylinder they given. See the diagram, the graph. This is the graph. This is the graph they given. It is perpendicular to the pressure axis. Means pressure constant. Pressure constant means it is a isobaric process. This is an isobaric process. Okay. And this is the problem you see, 2019 problem. The same problem they ask 2 years continuously. Mass they given as 1 gram. So convert into the kilograms. Means 10 power minus 3 kilogram. Okay. So atmosphere pressure they given as 10 power 5 Pascal. Volume, initial volume, this is V1 they given as, here I will write here. V1 is 1 centimeter cube means 10 power minus 6 into 1. V2 they given as 1671 into 10 power minus 6. So delta V, if you take 1671 minus 1, we have to take into 10 power minus 6. So also you will get 1670. Okay. So if you do the calculation, you will get 2089 Joule. Use the first law of thermodynamics, dq is equals to du plus dp into delta V. They ask change in internal energy. Change in internal means du they ask. So we can use this process, okay? Next, see that next problem. In which of the following process the heat is neither absorbed nor released from the system? Means it is an adiabatic process. Adiabatic process we know exchange of heat between the system and surrounding is equals to 0. See the same problem they give again in 2018. 2019 they ask, 2018 also they ask same problem. But only one change here, the mass they given as 1 gram. Here they given as 0.1 gram. So here 0.2089 is the answer. So you will get here nearly the same answer. Yes, right. Next, see the given graph value and temperature graph they given. The given gas is monoatomic gas. See, I will give a small table here. dq is equals to, we have the formula du plus dw. So now that is equals to du by dq plus dw by dq. So they ask percentage, if you take monoatomic, diatomic and triatomic. For monoatomic, du is how much? dw is equals to how much means? du is 40%, internal energy is 40%. This is 60%. Okay. And diatomic is, this is 500 by 7%. This is 200 by 7%. And triatomic means this is 75%. This is 25%. If you know these values, this problem is very easy. Now they ask here monoatomic gas. They ask monoatomic gas means you have to focus on this particular area. Okay. And they ask the ratio of the work done by the gas means this they ask. Work done is 60% dW. Sorry, I wrote ulta. Sorry. This is 40% says 60%. They ask what is it? The ratio of the work done they ask. Ratio of the work done. This is 60. This is 40. This is du. This is dw. So 40% means 40 by 100. This is 22 sir, 25 sir. So answer is 2 by 5. Okay, next. Again, Carnot engine problem, they give a freezing point and boiling point. Freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees centigrade. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. If you do the calculation part, you will get 26.8%. Okay. Next one is C. One mole of an ideal monoatomic gas, PV power 3. This is called as polytropic process. Polytropic process, C value is equals to, this is the formula. So your X value is, by doing the comparison of this equation, X equals to 3. Monoatomic gas, we know Cv is equals to F by 2 times of R. Here F is degrees of freedom. For monoatomic gas, F is equals to 3. Okay. So now if you do the calculation, you will get the answer R. And next, the temperature of the refrigerator they given. Simple formula is, this is the formula only. Next one. So this is the graph they given. And they ask, what is this process you see? See this process, fourth one. First, we will go in a order, fourth one. This is perpendicular to the pressure axis. Means what is the process? Fourth graph is perpendicular to the pressure. Means it is isobaric process. Isobaric process means fourth one match with the isobaric process. Isobaric means here B. So S should be matched with the B. Next, see the first one. This is perpendicular to the volume axis. Means this is isochoric process. Isochoric process means P should be matched with the C. Next, we have 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. If you see, 2 and 3 are starting at this point. This temperature is 500 Kelvin. 3 is on the same line. Means here also 500 only. So here temperature is same. Means process number 3. This is temperature same. So this is isothermal process. But if you see this graph, temperature is different. So it is adiabatic. Now the process 3 is R. R is matched with isothermal D. And process, what is this process number 2? Process number 2 is R over now. Process number 3 over. Process number 2 is Q. Here Q is process number 2. What we have? It is an adiabatic process, means A. So this is a correct matching. If you want to check, see. S should be matched with the B. S should be matched with the B. Okay. So two options we have. S should be matched with the B. And P should be matched with the C. So option 2. S, B, P, C. Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay. These are the different problems given in the different examination, not different examination, NEET examination based on the thermodynamics. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Thank you, guys.